Good morning. It is cold as shit. It's 15 degrees. We're going to do a double winch out. I guess there's two cars in the same spot, which I'm guessing means it's on an icy turn. But we'll figure it out in a minute. Let's go see what the hell we got. Alright. Well, I got to where they were, and they weren't there. Because it's not where they were. It's about how dispatches usually go. So now I'm driving up the road to find out where they actually are, so we can pull them out. Here we go. Well, there's one. They said there was two. Huh. So, apparently the Subaru went down the four-wheel drive trail and got stuck in the snow. So his buddy came out with a Chrysler Sebring to go and recover him. And surprise, surprise, it got stuck. I don't know why you'd think that's an off-road recovery vehicle, but okay, this should be an easy one. Give him a little tug here. Alright, he's out. Now let's go get the Subaru. Well, we found the Subaru. Now I gotta get it out. So I'm gonna go turn around and back into it. That way I can drag him all the way out of here. He's a ways back in the woods. Okay, we just got turned around right there without getting stuck. So now we gotta back up probably about 200 yards. Get back to this guy, and then we can drag him out. Problem is, he's gotta go all the way out backwards because he ain't turning around. That's more his problem than mine, though. Okay, we're just gonna hook on the Kinetic rope and try to pull him about 3/4 of a mile to get out of here. So he's got a lot of backing up to do. We're pulling, and as long as he stays in the ruts and doesn't go up the bank, we're good. Don't quite know why they thought it was a good idea to come down here. Don't know why they thought it was a good idea to bring a little Chrysler Sebring to pull them out, but oh well. It's all part of the fun. This guy's wheels turned totally the wrong way. I've done worse. Okay, let him turn around and try to go forward from here. Hopefully he makes it. I don't know how to pull him. Oh, rally that thing. That's what Subarus are for. I love it. Back to the plowed section. There's the highway. There's the off-road recovery vehicle sitting and waiting. And he made it. And there they go. Put all our shit away and go home.